Hey guys, in this video, I will show you how to create an audiobook on ElevenLabs. All right, let's begin. First, sign into your ElevenLabs account and go to the left panel. Then click on Studio. This is where all your audio projects are managed. Next, create a new project by selecting New Blank Project. Then choose Key Audio Project, which is designed for audiobooks. After that, upload the document you want to convert by clicking on Document. Ensure it is properly formatted and titled for smooth conversion. On the left panel, pick the voice that will narrate your audiobook. You can use a custom voice or select from the samples to match the tone of your book. Once chosen, ElevenLabs will generate the audio. You can listen and edit within the audio editor to adjust pauses, flow, and quality. So that's basically how you can create an audiobook on ElevenLabs. And that's it for this video. If you find this helpful, consider subscribing and giving this a big thumbs up. Thanks.